Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Pinterest account into a business account. The process is really easy. Let's get straight to the point. So first of all, open Pinterest on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. As you see on the screen, this is the homepage of Pinterest. At the homepage, you'll have to tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. It is right besides the chat icon. And once you reach your profile, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. When you do that, you'll see this menu and here you'll have to go to settings. On settings under account information, you can see the third option, that is account management. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you reach this page under account changes, you'll see the first option, that is convert to a business account. Tap on it. On this page, you'll simply have to tap on convert account. Now to create a business account, you'll have to add your profile name first. You can enter your business name as your profile name for your account. Once you're done, tap on next. Now on this page, if your business has a website, then you can enter the business address here. If you don't, you can simply tap on no website yet. Now you'll have to describe your business here. Select the type of your business and press next. Would you ever be running ads on Pinterest? Here you can choose the option of your choice and again press next. So you can go through all these text once and tap on next. Once you reach the last slide, you can either tap on create a pin or explore your profile. I'll be exploring my profile first. As you can see on the screen, my account has been converted into a business account. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.